In the next video of our sports quiz series, we have surface type. Same 22 sports, but what are they played on? Because there's many different varieties of surface that we actually play sport on. Not always grass, not always concrete. Some it's more widely on wood, some it's on ice, some it's in water. We are going to look at the professional sense because a lot of these sports we actually play on multiple different materials and surfaces, whether we're at school, whether we're in the local competition. So we're going to think about them in a professional sense and what we play it on if we were playing for our country or playing in a representative game of that sport. Let's jump straight into it. So our options are grass, concrete, wood, synthetic grass, ice, or water. Let's do it. First up, cricket. What surface is it predominantly played on? Field hockey. It's changed over the years, but what is it predominantly played on now? Netball. Remember, our options are grass, concrete, wood, synthetic grass, ice, or water. Soccer. What do we usually play it on? Rugby union. We usually play it on, has 5 letters. So does Gaelic football. 5 letters. Softball. What do we usually play it on? Grass, synthetic grass. Do we play it in water? Or maybe on ice? Water polo. I didn't just give that away. What surface do we play it on? Basketball. What do we play it on? Street basketball might be a bit different to professional basketball. So have a think. Which one of our options? Rugby league. Grass, synthetic grass. Ice, water, wood or concrete. Touch football. What do we play it on? Baseball. What do we generally play that on? Handball. If you haven't Googled European handball, you may have to have a stab in the dark at this one. But if you have, you should know it by now. Grass, wood, concrete, ice, water, or synthetic grass. Lacrosse. What surface is it predominantly played on? Rugby sevens. Volleyball. What do we play it on? Ice hockey. I didn't give you a clue. Move on. American football. What surface do we predominantly play it on? Could be a bit of a trick question. Floorball. If you look at the word there, you know that it's on something that generally is inside. Indoor hockey. This could be a tricky one. It's indoors and it's hockey. So what surface will we be playing it on? Australian rules football. One of the biggest fields in a team sport. Grass, synthetic grass, wood, concrete, ice or water. And finally, ultimate frisbee. What surface do we predominantly play ultimate frisbee on? How did you go? Was there any tricky ones? There was 2 in there that the answer was actually in the sport name. So I hope you didn't get those 2 wrong. And I hope you gave all the ones that you didn't know a great shot. Have a look at the answers, see how many you got. Good job. Stay tuned for our next sports quiz video.